Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is Violet. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, hey, good to see you again. Welcome to YouTube. I know it's a pretty crazy time in the world right now. I'm spending an awful lot of time with my 3 kids at home. We are doing some super awesome sophisticated things. French lessons, piano lessons, getting my 8-year-old to memorize Shakespearean sonnets and all sorts of wonderful, amazing things. When you are in self-isolation, the world seems to have shut down. It's nice to pretty up a little bit. My daughters are 8 and 3 years old. I think something that's really fun to get started with at that age is nail polish. If you yourself are a very busy person that touches things all the time, you'll probably be familiar with the problem of nail polish, right? So what'll happen is you'll put it on and it's sticky-tacky and you touch things and it's wrecked. Every time. At least for me, I am constantly ruining my nail polish. In an attempt to help for people like me, Essie's come out with the silliest name ever. Quick dry, just a second. I'm going to be reviewing the Essie Expressie nail polish today. In the time zone? Huh. Essie Expressie. Wow. This is some high quality YouTube content. Let's just see what's in here. Ooh, it's the same color as my curtains. Apparently, I only like one color. I was very nervous to do a nail polish video because last time I did a nail polish video, I broke my finger. Alright, so I don't have a nail file, but my little brother, Boris, gave me this handy dandy Swiss Army knife for Christmas a few years ago. So let's see if we can find a nail file on here and get these shapes a little bit prettier for the situation that is coming up. File the nails. I don't know, is this a gross sound or is this a fantastic sound? What do you think? I like this sound. So always painting nails is kind of a questionable endeavor when you are a busy person because I find that at-home manicures tend to chip terribly and they never dry properly. So here we go with our Essie Expressie. I have to say this is an incredibly thick and densely pigmented formula. In the time zone, this light pink color is really pretty and feminine, and as you can see, one coat is completely covering everything. There's a little bit of translucency, but honestly, it's doing a really, really good job for one coat. And for the purposes of this video, I am only going to be wearing one coat and testing one coat. We're going to check in 2 days later and see how it still looks on my fingernails. As you can see, absolutely beautiful. Set a timer for 5 minutes. I'm going to set a timer because I want to see how long it takes to dry, alright? And you know what? I'm not the most patient person in the world, so we're just doing our thing, hoping it works out good. I mean, it's shiny, 4 minutes left. Oh, can we speed this up? Come on, Violet. Enough of that. Pretty fingers, yes, yes, yes. 2 minutes, 24 seconds. You know what? These are pretty dry. I am happy with this. But we need to level up here. We need to do a harder test because, yeah, I'm an adult. I can dry my nail polish in 5 minutes. How about the 3-year-old? What's going to happen when we put a coat of this beautiful in the time zone nail polish on her fingernails? I have to say this is an excellent color for a little girl because even when it does have inevitable cracks and dents, it's not so bright, but it still makes her feel super pretty special. That's applying very nicely on her fingernails. Here we go. Very pretty. This is my very patient 3-year-old. She's giving me trouble about her thumbs because, you know, I have terrible aim. But yeah, we're getting it done, and you know what? It's kind of hard to paint other people's nails facing the same direction, but her fingernails are so little, I guess it wasn't that much of a problem. But you know, the real challenge of this situation here isn't how awesome I am at painting her nails. It's how awesome she is at holding still for 5 minutes. So we're gonna see how we do here. We're gonna give her a little bit of time and see if we can keep it together for 5 minutes. And go. Oh, okay, and go. Here we go. Can you do it, Mary? Can you do it? Can you do it? Oh. Here we go. Still not moving. It's so hard not to move. You could do it, Mary. You could do it. Only 3 minutes left. That's it. You could do this. Okay, well, we gave up at about 2 minutes, but as you can see, they're not sticky-tacky. Ew. They're good. She's done good. Thumbs up, Marigold. 10 out of 10. Ta-da! So So we have another test. The 8-year-old is getting her nails painted today as well, so we're all going to match. That's still cool, right? As you can see, it's a little bit translucent, but it seems to still be going on nicely, smoothly, no fuss, no muss. And to be consistent, we're going to time my 8-year-old, but she only gets 4 minutes because I know she's going to be good and not accidentally turn off the iPad, right, Noelle? So with less than a minute yet left, we're getting a little impatient. Look pretty good though, I think. Yeah. So here's the thing. This nail polish seems to have stayed on pretty darn well. Alright, so I attempted to do a 5-minute test with myself, my 8-year-old, and my 3-year-old just to see if we can keep our hands still long enough for the nail polish to dry, and what we found is on the 8-year-old it actually dried in 4 minutes, which was good. The 3-year-old, she restarted the timer several times, but still ended up with pretty dry nail polish, so that's pretty great. So what can I say? You need to do your nails in a hurry. This is a good idea if you need something that dries quickly. Let me caution anyone out there, I have not actually checked, I haven't used this product before, so I don't know how it wears. So in the interest of science, you can see how the nails look after 2 days. Lots and lots of hand washing in our house. So these are my nails. 8-year-old's nails. 3-year-old nails. Okay, so it could be that this is a wonderful quick dry nail polish that often needs reapplication to stay looking fresh. And I did only 1 layer, so you can see that it's a little bit translucent, right? But that's easily remedied with a 2nd coat. I think that would be okay. Let me know if you have tried the Expressie nail polish and if you liked it, if you think it's suitable for younger people who might need to have their nail polish dry more quickly. It is actually a vegan product, which is really good. I bought it on sale for $10 at Shoppers Drug Mart here in Calgary when we were picking up, well, flour and toilet paper. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know with a thumbs up, and please leave a comment down below. What did you think about the video? And subscribe, hit the bell, because I'm thinking that there's going to be a little bit more of this sort of thing going on in the next month or so. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.